Now, the coffee culture in Vietnam is certainly serious. Oh, that rich, sweet, intense coffee has inspired my Espresso Granita with coconut cream. Now, when I was there, I enjoyed hot coffee in the morning, chilled coffee in the afternoon. So I have hot coffee to start right now, 2 cups worth. And to make this granita, to sweeten it up, 100 grams of sugar. Just give that a little stir to melt the sugar, and as it's dissolving, just a pinch of cinnamon. Gotta work in those spices while you can. There we go, the sugar's dissolved. So I'm cooling down the mixture, just adding another little bit of cool water. And it is up to you how intense you want to make this. You can make it with really strong coffee or slightly lighter if you wish. It's not going to affect the recipe, just the end taste. There we go, this is ready for the freezer, and I'll freeze it until it's firm. Now, if you happen to think about this in 3 hours, give the coffee a little stir. It loosens up the crystals of ice that are going to start to form, and it just makes them a little bit finer. But it's not going to really impact the recipe if you forget. I'll give the granita its time to freeze. Now it's time for the finishing touch, the coconut cream. Essentially, I'm making coconut whipped cream. What I have here is actually the cream from coconut that's separated from the water layer. Because it's cold, I just soften it up with a spatula a little bit. There we go. Now that it's smoothed out a bit, I can switch to a whisk and just lighten it up. I will sweeten it up with some sifted icing sugar and then just work that in. My granita is solid like a block. Now to loosen it, to make it palatable and easy to eat, you just take a fork and scrape the top surface to loosen all those coffee ice granules. Then with a spoon, spoon it into your glass. And then the finishing touch, a little of that coconut cream right on top. And you've got a perfect little refreshing pick-me-up. I would enjoy this in the afternoon or even after a rich meal, sitting outside.